Hey everyone, I'm so excited to see you on here. Today I'm back again with another video. Today I am going to be recreating a very simple everyday makeup look. This is something that will be very easy to recreate because I'm only limiting myself to about 5 to 6 items. I don't want to cut myself on that too much, but yeah, basically we're doing a less product and very easy makeup job done. I won't be applying any foundation today, so for those of you who love to have no foundation makeup look, this makeup is especially perfect for you. I'm going to be limiting the amount of makeup on my face in general, which is really perfect for spring and summer to allow your face to breathe. And right now it's springtime, I'm flaring out with very dry skin around my mouth area and I'm struggling. So I drenched myself in moisturizer. I won't be going in depth of what I use for my moisturizer. I will keep that for another video, but in general, I believe we are ready to go. Okay, so when it comes to my makeup, of course, I don't want to limit myself too much, especially in a simple makeup routine. So I do want to get my eyebrows done and look more put together, I'll say. Definitely when it comes to me not wearing makeup, and of course, I don't wear makeup every single day, so I do just walk around like this most of the time, which is completely fine. I will get my eyebrows done just to make sure they look nice and good. This is an eyebrow pencil by Milani. I cannot see the labeling on it because I have dropped it in a makeup remover and the label came off. So I will be just filling in my eyebrows, just making sure everything is good to go. I will be adding a little more of the color on the ends of my eyebrows just to make sure that everything looks good. I just like to have more fuller eyebrow on my end than in my beginning of the eyebrow, just because it gives more of like that ombre look. And unfortunately, I was not blessed to have fuller eyebrow. Since the label did come off, I will still try to link everything as much as possible. Now I'm going to brush out the eyebrows with a spoolie just to get them all a little bit more bushier and collected. So I'm just going to use a spoolie from my Anastasia Brow Hill eyebrow brush, and I'm just gonna brush it out even more. Okay, this already looks like I am a human being with eyebrows. I definitely like my brows a lot more right now than before. They're just a little more fuller and it's ready to go. Okay, so next I will be going in with my concealer. I have 2 shades here just because I'm getting a little more tan. It is summer and this one is kind of too light. I do have another shade by Marni, which is shade 5, and this is shade 3, so like 2 shades darker. I'm just gonna mix them up a little bit and add it, but I would still consider it as one product. I'm not using foundation, just keep that in mind. This is just the concealer with 2 different shades. I will be applying a little bit of an amount. I'm gonna apply it with my finger. What I love about this concealer is that it actually feels very light, but also has that nice coverage. As you can tell, this is kind of too light. I'm just gonna cover the under eyes, and then I want to cover up some of the redness around my nose because it is very dry. Well, now that it's drenched in a lot of moisturizer, it's not really dry, but it is looking a little bit irritated. And then I'm gonna add it over my acne. So I just take a little bit on my finger and then I stretch it out so that it conceals most of the part, but it's a very light coverage. Well, what I mean is light thin layer of the product, which is perfect. Now I'm going to go in with my darker shade and just fill in some acne gaps. And I'm just going to apply some of it under my eyebrows just to give it more of that clean edge look, just to make sure everything is all blended. Okay, it does look like a lot of concealer, but all I added was under the eyes, and also I added it on the irritated red areas. Now I'm going to go ahead and blend it in with a beauty blender, making sure my eyelids are also covered because I'm not going to be adding any other layers of makeup, just to have everything look a lot more blended and concealed. This is what we have. Like I said, I am a little more tan than what my makeup is right now. I do need to purchase a new shade, but right now I just wanted to balance it all out and even out the tone. Go ahead and with my other step of makeup. Okay, now that it all is blended, I'm going to go in with my contour or like a little bit of bronzing. I will be using my Luminous Silk Concealer in shade 9. This is a bronzing technique that I use. I'm just going to add in a little bit. I feel like I couldn't say no to bronzer just because sometimes if I do miss it, I don't look like I'm alive. So I decided that I will add in the bronzing just so that I look a lot more put together and therefore my face has some life in it. So yeah, basically I decided that I will add in the bronzer just because I feel like it will give more life to my face and more color and then accentuate the things that I like, which is my jawline, my bones, my cheekbones, and and just contour the nose. I feel like the contouring does a lot in my face makeup and it just makes a big difference, which I really appreciate. So I'm gonna blend it in with my blush brush by Monji. As you could see, like it just immediately looks a lot better. I'm gonna blend it over in the more of an upward direction so it gives me more of that lifted effect. And also the bronzing gives a lot more depth in the face, which I really love. Okay, so moving on to almost the last few steps. So I applied my eyebrows, I have did my concealer, I did my contouring with my bronzer, and now technically I have used already 3 products, so I have about 2 more left. But like I said, I will be using about 5 to 6, so I'm actually aiming for 6 more. I will be applying a little bit of a line under my eyes, mascara, and I want to finish off with my blush long wear eyeliner. I'm just going to do a little bit of a wing line and then see how that goes. So first things first, this is a very long wear eyeliner. It's very beautiful and I think brown accentuates a lot of eye colors. I have green eyes and I saw a lot of brown eye girls using brown eyeliner and I thought that was very beautiful. I just want to go ahead and begin this one as well. I'm just gonna do a very slight look, very simple eye look. I love how simple it looks. I don't like a very bold eyeliner, so this is already really pretty. I really appreciate that. Let's go ahead with the rest of the eye makeup. I will be curling my eyelashes with a Tweezerman eyelash curler. Today, I will be going in with my Alma Cosmetics tubing mascara, and like I always say, I'm just trying to finish this one up, but I really like the one from Tarte, called Tartelette tubing mascara. This is very similar to it, and I love a tubing mascara because it lasts me a long time. And I feel like with this combo with the Wonderskin eyeliner, this will just be really perfect. I am really liking the eye makeup look because I feel like it just pops my eyes really nicely and it doesn't look like it's too much, just looks like it has the perfect amount. Okay, so lastly we are going to go with our blush, and today I will be using my Mini Rare Beauty blush. This is a liquid blush, shade Hope. I love this mini blush because I feel like even if it's this tiny, it lasts me a very long time. So I'm just going to put it all over my face because we love a sunburned look. And I will be applying it just a little bit on my lip because we're not using a lip product today. All right. And I will be blending it in with my brush. I love this blush. I feel like blush just makes the biggest difference at this point. I don't even need to wear any face makeup. I just need to wear some blush, some contour, put it on my nose, put it on my cheekbones, on my forehead, and I'm ready to go. Okay guys, this was very quick. I really love and appreciate this makeup look. It was very simple, very easy to recreate. Let me know down below if you have any questions about this makeup look in particular. I feel like it just looks very nice and glowy together. I really want to use the brown sugar shade a lot more. I want to play around with it and see how that works on my face because not very professional with eye makeup, and I really want to try and give it more uses out of it because it feels like, I don't know, I love it so much. I love how it looks. I will be giving it a try again. And once again, I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I try to upload as much as possible, as you could tell. Don't forget to click the like, subscribe, and notifications bell on so that you don't miss any of these videos. I will be seeing you on the next one. Thank you again for watching. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I'm there every single day. Don't miss any of my drops. Bye bye and have a good one.